Checking your car daily is just as important as your monthly checks and the annual service. Everyone who has a car relies on it to get them to work and back, take the kids to school, shopping, and the list goes on, and it is only when you don't have your car for these things that you realize how much you need and rely on it. The main things to check when you get in your car daily and especially when you are going on a long journey are, the tire pressures and your oil, water and washer levels are all where they should be. These problems are normally highlighted when you start your car and you get a warning light on your dashboard. If you get in your car and a warning light comes on, then you should always check your handbook and find out what it is so that you can rectify yourself, or book it into your garage for them to find out what the problem is and resolve it for you. Every 2 to 4 weeks check your tire pressures are where they should be. The level required will be detailed on the inside of one of the front doors or in your handbook. Low or high tire pressure can cause accidents, so it is a must on your regular checklist. Over or under-inflated tires will have a negative impact on your fuel consumption and tire wear. Keeping your tires at the recommended pressure will save you money. Also, check the condition of your tires and look for any damage, wear and tear, and make sure the tread on every tire is within the legal limits, including the spare if you have one. Open your car bonnet and use your oil dipstick to check oil levels are at the minimum they should be every 4 weeks, always before a long journey, and top up if you need to. Your car's oil shouldn't need topping up every 4 weeks, so if you are doing this, then you should book it into your garage to get them to check you don't have an oil leak. Every month, check your coolant level is where it should be, which will be highlighted on your water tank, minimum and maximum. Before we move into the colder months, always check your antifreeze levels and top up if you need to. Keep your screen wash regularly topped up to prevent it from freezing and cracking your screen wash container, and ensure that you can easily clear your windscreen when you need to. It is a legal requirement to always have your screen wash in working order, as, without it, it can impair your vision when driving. Check there are no cracks or stone chips in your windscreen and get them repaired if you have any, as they will worsen and can shatter your windscreen when you are driving. It is much cheaper to get a crack or chip repaired than a whole new windscreen, and it will also prevent you from potential accidents if they shatter completely. Often, depending on your insurance cover, it is free to repair a stone chip in a windscreen. Check all your lights are in working order, including your indicators, reversing lights, brake lights and fog lights. Also, check them for dirt and grime, which will impair other drivers from seeing you when they need to. Regularly maintaining your car yourself will prevent breakdowns, accidents, and will increase your car's performance, fuel efficiency, the life of your car, and often prevent unnecessary repairs at your garage.